This is John with Good Speed Performance, and we're going to go through a tutorial on how to get the new M2, M3 LCI into Dyno Mode. Okay, we're going to go through the procedure to put the new M2 into Dyno Mode. It's a little bit tricky, and we're going to go through some of the tips on how to make sure it goes into Dyno Mode if you're having a problem. Number one, and most importantly, is before you try to roll this car, make sure that you put it in Dyno Mode, because if you set a fault, then it will not go into Dyno Mode, and that can cause some problems. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the steering wheel off. We know most cars aren't going to have this option, but to be able to make a good video, we want to be able to do this so you can see what we're doing. First things first is if the car is completely off, put it into service mode. Service mode is basically just key on position 2, which is 3 clicks of the button. 1, 2, 3. Make sure it's done quickly. Then we're going to go ahead and hit our traction control and make sure that it's completely off. Okay. Then we're going to press and hold the BC button. That's this one here. And it's going to take a while. And there we finally go. So now you see here we have chassis dyno is the second one down. We're going to press the BC button one time. That's going to get us chassis dyno mode. And then we're going to press and hold that BC button again. And then as soon as this comes up, we are in dyno mode. Come back over here, make sure that we're still in the off position, and then go ahead and start the car. Now we're actually in true dyno mode. If it does not go into dyno mode like you just saw here, and you don't see this in the off and DCS off, and you don't see this saying 0, then that means it's not actually in dyno mode. If you tried this several times and it still won't go in, plug your car in, use a factory BMW scan tool or Maxis or something that can scan the entire car, and you're going to have to clear the entire vehicle of codes, all the body codes out. Then try this again, and it'll go into dyno mode.